Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your computer with the smart TV. Here in my remote there's a key here called cast. Then you need to press, right? Then you'll see such a screen, I cast. So it is waiting for connection. Go to your computer here and click the Wi-Fi icon here and scroll down. Then you will see a cast here, then click the cast. So here you will see the option for your smart TV, then click it. Here there's a pop-up invitation to you need to accept this one, right? Here accept. Let us wait. Alright, here now my computer and my TV are connected.